students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about the solution of the questions of exercise 8.2 from NCERT related to the topic trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Question number 1. In question number 1, there are 5 parts. Here we will solve 4th and 5th parts. 4th part, we have sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Sec 30 degree, sin 30 degree 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree 1 minus cosec 60 degree 2 by root 3 by sec 30 degree 2 by root 3 cos plus cos 60 degree, that is 1 by 2 plus cos 45 degree 1. 2. Here taking LCM we get 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by, and taking the LCM of denominator we get, this is root 3, here we get 2 to the 4 plus root 3 and plus 2 root 3. This is equal to, here root 3 plus 2 root 3 are like terms, so we add these two terms, we get 3 root 3 minus 4 by, here again 2 root 3 and root 3 are like terms, so we can add these two terms, we get 3 root 3 plus 4. Here the slight denominator we get 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. And this is equal to 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square, and by, here a plus b, a minus b, so we get a square minus b square, root 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square, and this is equal to here a minus b whole square, a square equal to 3 root 3 whole square plus 4 square minus 2ab. So we get 24 root 3 by here we get the value of this is 27 minus 16 and this is equal to 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3 by 11 and finally we get 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11 and this is your answer. Here fifth part, 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Dear students, here cos square, here fifth part is 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Dear students, degree equal to cos 30 degree whole square. Similarly, cos square 60 degree, cos 60 degree whole square, sec square 30 degree, sec 30 degree whole square, tan square 45 degree means tan 45 degree whole square. So in this way we find the solution. Cos 60 degree, this is equal to 1 by 2. So we have 5 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 sec 30 degree, sec 30 degree 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree is 1 and square of this we get 1 square by sin 30 degree 1 by 2. So sin square 30 degree means 1 by 2 square plus cos 30 degree root 3 by 2 and square of this root 3 by 2 whole square and this is equal to 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into equal to 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 and here this is equal to 5 into 1 by 4 means we get 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3, 4 4 is 16, 16 by 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 and here taking the LCM of numerator we get 12, 4 3 are 12, 5 3 are 15, plus 3 4 are 12, 16 4 are 64, minus 12 by 1 plus 3, and LCM of denominator is 4 here. This is equal to, here we add 15 plus 64, we get 79 minus 12 by 12, and here we can write by 1. And this is equal to 67 by 12 into 1, and finally we get 67 by 12. This is the answer. We are going to discuss about the solution of one more question, that is question number 3, and this is very important question. If tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, where 0 degree less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degree and a greater than b, find a and b. Dear students, here we have given the condition that a plus b, value of a plus b should lie between 0 degree and 90 degree. Means maximum value of a plus b equal to 90 degree, or lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. And second condition is a should be greater than b also. So in this question only we use the process to find the solution a and b, and after solution we see that the condition is fulfilled or not. Let us start. We have tan a plus b equal to root 3. This is given in the question, and this is implied that tan a plus b equal to root 3. Root 3, this can be written as tan 60 degree. Here the value of tan 60 degree is root 3, and this is implied that a plus b equal to 60 degree. This is equation number 1. Again we have tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. And this is implied that tan a minus b equal to tan 30 degree. Here tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3, and this is implies that a minus b equal to 30 degree. This is as equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2 correspondingly, we get a plus b plus a minus b, and this is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree. Here plus b minus b will be considered here. We get 2a equal to 90 degree so a is equal to 45 degree. From 1 we get a plus b equal to 60 degree, implies that here a 45 degree, 45 degree plus b equal to 60 degree, since a equal to 45 degree. This is implies that b is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree, so b is equal to 15 degree. Dear students, here the condition is a greater than b. Here a is 45 degree and b is 15 degree. So a is greater than b, and sum of a and b, that is 45 degree plus 15 degree equal to 60 degree, which lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. So we have a equal to 45 degree and b equal to 15 degree. This is answer. Thank you.